In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not rendering. If your export gets stuck, fails right away, or finishes with a tiny or empty file, the fastest fix is to verify a few key settings on the deliver page. I'll walk you through exactly what to check and why it matters, so you can get a clean render out every time. Start by opening your project and switching to the deliver page. This is the export workspace where all your output settings live. On the left, look for the Render Settings panel. We're going to confirm 4 things here: the format, the codec, the save location, and the Render at Source Resolution option. First, check the format. For most situations, choose MP4 with H.264. It's broadly compatible, uploads reliably, and plays back smoothly on nearly every device and platform. If you're handing the file to another editor or a workflow that prefers QuickTime, pick QuickTime as the format instead. Both formats are stable, but MP4 is usually the best troubleshooting choice when you just need a render that works. Next, verify the codec. Set it to H.264 or H.265. H.264 is the most compatible and is usually the safest bet if you've been seeing failures. H.265 is more efficient and produces smaller files at similar quality, but it can be heavier on your system and less friendly to older players. If rendering has been failing, try H.264 first, then only move to H.265 once everything is working. Now, confirm the location. Point your render to a simple local folder, such as a dedicated exports folder on your main drive. Keep the path short and free of unusual characters. Avoid network locations or removable drives while troubleshooting. A clean local path reduces permissions and connectivity issues that can cause renders to fail or hang. If the folder doesn't exist yet, create it from your file browser and select it here. Finally, check the Render at Source Resolution setting. If your goal is to maintain each clip's original resolution, enable it. If you want the output to match your timeline resolution, say you edited in 1080p and want a 1080p file, disable it. Mismatched expectations here can lead to odd behavior or failed encodes, especially when mixing different media sizes. After confirming these settings, try the export again from the deliver page. With a compatible format and codec, a clean local save location, and the correct resolution behavior, DaVinci Resolve should render smoothly and predictably. If it does, you're good to go.